to the point on people and management change.
To the point on people and management change. There'll be subtitles.
It looks like my mic is still
It is
off.
now.
Okay, it's back now. So that's very true. Wonderful what you're saying. And this is why I always say that digital transformation starts with people, not technology. There are many organizations that dive in tech first, and then they find out that people are just watching this. You've invested so much money in this thing, and nobody's even willing to touch it because the people were left behind. But digital transformation moves at the pace of people, not the pace of the technology. The technology moves fast like that. The technology can get up the next morning and have a meeting with the board and decide to install the technology that day. But it's going to take the speed at which people adjust to the change for the real return on investment, for you to see that. So one of the ways in which organizations can really do this is to make sure that the people are consulted on every level, right? You mentioned about the danger of being in the boardroom and leaving people outside. And this has happened in so many cases where you see that, for example, a customer service tool, and the board decided that, and there was no one in customer service consulted. Many of the people in the boardroom have never worked directly with customers, so they will not even understand what type of tool and what type of exact problem are they solving, right? So, and sometimes the tool is even built completely out of the continent, perhaps somewhere in China, right? And then they bring it to these people, now they're in customer service and like, okay, now you have to use this, and like, really? So you see them going back to the old ways because the management did not bring them on board with this. So understanding that this change starts with people, not the technology itself, is critical. And then bringing people along that journey, because people are afraid when they suddenly see new tools being deployed in the organization. The first thing in their minds is, okay, I'm about to be replaced. So if people are reassured, now we are augmenting, we are not replacing. Get comfortable in using these tools, and in fact, experiment as much as you want. Once the tool has been adopted by any particular company, there should be a clear announcement. I want that every work being done from now on, that this tool was used. And we are not saying that if you use the tool, it means you're not competent enough, right? So once that psychological aspect of it is taken care of, you see people are more open. Yeah. But if it's just brought in and put there, it's almost like they're testing you. This is what people are thinking. Okay, I think they want to see if I'll be so reliant on this and then they get rid of me. So if I'm so reliant on this, it's like I'm exposing myself that I'm using this too much, and then they will get rid of me.